Welcome back to Alflated Crew. We're back out here at the private rifle range, and we got some, well, we're thinking it's the world's largest jacketed hollow point. 73 caliber, something like that, 12 gauge jacketed hollow point. It's called the Fury.
Small company that I'd never heard of before.
Yeah. Jeff loaded us up a special one here, and we're going to save that for last, or close to last.
I'm not too. They look cool, but they're a lot of trouble to load a brass shell like that.
Yeah, but that looks awesome.
It is cool. It looked good on a shelf, but
that looked neat.
So much easier to load into a modern plastic hole.
We need a revolver that'll hold these.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Put my 44 to shame.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, anyway, we got some gel blocks down there. We're going to take the first shot. We have not shot these yet, so...
Well, we did a test shot with a rifle choke, and they seemed to work pretty well. But we're going to use full rifling on this one, right?
We're going to run through that Mossberg full rifle barrel.
Okay.
So let's see what they'll do downrange.
Okay, remember, it might shoot a little low.
All right, I'll go 3/4 up.
Okay, that might be safe.
Center mass.
We'll try to capture, see what kind of expansion we get by shooting it through gel. It's about, I don't know, 12, 14 inches of gel there. Multiple blocks, little blocks.
And we're at 12 yards.
12 yards, that's a good point, yeah.
Here we go.
No problem hitting it.
All right, guys. Well, like Greg said, or Jeff said, it's they're going to hit low. My point of aim was here, and point of impact was here.
And the reason I predicted that is because typically heavier slugs have the harmonics cause them to shoot a little low. I mean, you know, think of the recoil, and the barrel will actually warp down a little bit.
Well, you'd have to adjust your powder load till you reach the node.
Right.
Call it.
The harmonics or what, you know.
Yeah, catch it so the barrel is straight when the bullet leaves the barrel.
Yeah, I don't know how you. That takes a lot of test shots.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we don't have near enough for that.
Yeah.
But this is all we found. A little bit of copper, very thin.
Yeah.
But it's enough to catch the rifling and avoid fouling, and then one little piece of lead.
Well, on high speed we should be able to see fragments of lead. I mean, look, these things look like they fragment really well.
It came apart. It never made it all the way through the gel blocks, I don't think.
Yeah.
The hole gets a little bit scattered, and then it's hard to find.
Well, let's try some water jugs and see how that does. It'll probably destroy our table, what's left of our table.
Yeah,
but
maybe it'll wash some of that mustard gas.
Yeah, we still got a little mustard on there, dang it.
Yeah, nothing in the vest, so
okay.
It didn't get that far.
Okay.
Kentucky windage.
Huh?
We're going to use some of that Kentucky windage.
Okay, we had 1,268 feet per second on the first shot. Let's see how he does on free holding it, no rest. Okay, I'm ready.
Alrighty.
Wow. Yeah, I destroyed the table. Destroyed the chronograph too. Hey, that thing came apart.
Yeah, our table died.
Yeah.
Do some quick repairs.
Yeah, I had to screw it back together.
It's on its last 4 legs, I think. Yeah, look at this. I mean, it
Looks like he hit just above the label on that first one. It just opened up. Look at all the little fragment holes in the jugs, though. I mean,
well,
and
this was on the table or on the ground after the table fell.
yeah, those.
But hey, we got.
Oh, okay.
We got something in this last jug. It never made it to the vest.
Okay.
Ah. Here we go. There's our slug, or part of it. There's not much there.
Just the base of it's
just
left.
The base, yeah. This is part of the skirt or the hollow point area. Yeah, nice little button there.
Yeah, man, those things really come apart in hydroshock.
A couple thousand rounds of those and collect the copper, and you can afford to buy a box of ammo. Well, not bad. The recoil on that's pretty stout, but it's bearable.
He's got the limb saver butt pad on there, you know.
I call it a pea pad.
Okay. You need something like that. We were going to shoot these from a fixed rest and clamp them down, but Danny insisted on shooting them, you know, kind of freehand or from the shoulder.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what else I'll do.
All right.
We got more of them.
That was fun.
How about a fresh new 30-pound lead plate?
Use a virgin.
This'll I think you can hit that thing.
See if we can penetrate.
Are you still aiming a little bit high?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Approximately 5 inches.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
All right, here we go.
Danny recreated the crime scene there.
Yeah, that one shot higher than the others.
And
Because my point of aim was right about here, because we were dropping about 4 to 5 inches.
yeah, you know, I just had to kind of guesstimate the powder load for these. I don't think there's any powder loads for these things out there yet, so.
That one hit hard.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of the wadding.
Oh, yeah, I put a little fiber wadding underneath them just to bring up the height of the call.
Otherwise, it's just lead. I'm not sure where our copper went.
Yeah, I think it spit the copper out.
I heard something sound like it ricocheted, but most of the lead is
Wow,
here.
look at that.
Look at the dent. It almost blew through that.
Not bad. I'm curious what the mini ball will do to that. I bet it'll go through.
Yeah. Well, you see, we find out here in a little bit.
We will. We're going to do that later. You get to bust your shoulder even more. Not bad.
By the way, Hyper Me, this is for you.
He's hatless.
So you can die happy now.
Don't die. But this don't die right
soon,
now.
though. Stick around. We got more videos to make.
Okay, let's see what these things will do to a tactical bowling pin.
All right.
The ballistic tactical bowling pin.
This one's got his snow camo on, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm ready.
There we go.
Look at that thing dancing.
Round and round she goes. Getting it in there. Those things are all over the place. My point of aim again was up here. Point of impact here.
You know, you can't really blame the shooter or the slugs. It could be just the powder load. We don't have the ideal one. We're still working on it. We'll see how they do at further ranges, though.
But look at the bulge.
Yeah, it just bulged it out and it spun hundreds of times. How about some South Carolinian ballistic gel?
There we go.
Ballistic bricks. We haven't made fun of South Carolina yet, I don't think. We're kidding. We love the South Carolinians. Ooh, I gotta bring down my f-stop a little bit. It's getting nice and bright.
Yeah, patchy clouds up there.
Someone's got to operate the cameras. They always ask, why doesn't Jeff shoot? Well, it's like, who's going to operate all these cameras? Okay.
That's too technical for me.
Yeah, it's hard to find someone to operate a high-speed camera. Okay, I'm ready.
Alrighty, here we go.
Holy smoke.
Wow.
Let's do some long-range shooting now.
Yeah, we're looking at 50, 55 yards. We're going to try the first one with a Federal rifled slug, just a Foster slug.
Yeah, maybe we'll see a difference in the impacts.
What's that,
It's
a
a
1
lot
ounce?
lighter, yeah. 1 ounce slug.
I'm going to hold the same point of impact for this.
Point of aim.
Point of aim, there we go.
Oh, you got to get these things, these
Gotta get
important
technical
things
here.
straight, you know?
Technically correct.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to hold the same point of aim for both of these so we can see the difference between a 1 ounce Foster and this monster.
Yeah, it's going a little slower. We'll probably see a pretty good size drop with that.
We're going to go for that was a bag of concrete. I'm going to hold right about the top
Okay.
of that chunk.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay.
Because these drop. So we'll see the difference between this and this.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready. First is the Foster slug.
All right. Here we go.
Yeah, that one really high. But yeah, let's give it a try. That Foster didn't drop very much.
Well, we're going to hold this one the same point of aim. And
Okay,
'cause these
it's
do
going
drop.
slower. So hopefully that'll do it. Okay, I'm ready.
all right, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Jeez. Go. Here we go. Not me.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Here we go.
Oh, broke it up. I didn't think it would break that up.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, last but not least.
Oh, the grand finale. This is the same thing we've been shooting, but this is in a brass.
Yeah, it's just a little different configuration. We don't know if this will hit anything, you know. At 50 yards, a little jug. So we're putting a lot on Danny here, but
Little what?
it could fly high, it could fly low, left, right,
Like about a 1 liter.
something like that.
Somewhere.
A
Just-
gallon jug.
Reference for size.
We'll see if that thing loads in your shotgun first.
Well, it don't go in like that.
Oh, you got to kind of finesse it in. There you go.
It'll go in there.
If it fits, it shoots.
If it fits, it'll shoot.
Now this one, I don't know, man. It could go anywhere. If he misses it, at least hits the cement backboard. We don't know. The ballistics on this may be completely different than the plastic hole shells.
We're gonna find out.
I mean, I've seen you do some amazing stuff, but you never know what rabbit Danny will pull out of his hat next. Okay, I'm ready.
Well, got a misfire here. Give it a minute.
Remember, that's a goofy ass shell. We may not work. Okay.
All right, here we go. Round 2, hopefully.
Oh.
That was
That was a weird delay.
pop,
Okay.
pop.
Is our bore unobstructed? That's another reason why I don't like the brass shells.
Yeah, something definitely went down range, but
Yeah, it was like a delayed pop, you know? That was weird.
Clear.
And that's, again, if you don't have a good gas seal, you get goofy stuff like that, you know?
that was odd.
Yeah.
First little pop kicked it up, and then it went off. So
It's probably
everything went high.
a few hundred yards down there in the dirt, yeah.
Save the brass.
Yeah.
All right, we got these other 2 here that we shot at the concrete. That was a bag of concrete that went bad and got hard.
Yeah, it was in the rain or something.
And this is our first one. Little smiley. Jeff put that on there on the bottom of it before we fired it.
Yeah.
So he was happy. Happy little bullet downrange. And there's number 2 that we recovered out of that concrete.
Kind of kicked it back about 20 yards or so.
Yeah. And that's the one that blew it apart.
Yeah, I finished it off.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the only brass shell we loaded was a kind of a semi-dud. Again, they look cool, but trying to load them, get the gas seal right.
Yeah.
I think it was a gas seal issue, you know. That's not good.
That one went ka-thump.
Yeah, it went took boo. So, yeah, not a fan of the brass shells, other than they look cool. Too much of a pain to load with modern components.
Well, these were fun while it lasted.
Yeah.
Got a pretty stout recoil, not unbearable.
I didn't load them super hot, you know. I mean, my powder load probably not the ideal one, since there's, you know, I just had to kind of guesstimate. I didn't want it so hot that it would, you know, be miserable to shoot. When you shoot, when you got like 8 or 9 of these things to shoot, that wears on the shooter quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Don't want to bruise people, don't want to injure, you know, knock their teeth loose. I can't put a link to Fury Custom Bullets, but you're smart enough to find it. Hey, there's a good chance you didn't see this video either. It probably wasn't in your feed even though you're subscribed to us, huh? This is 12 gauge tracer slugs. We had a lot of fun making it, and it's beautiful. Just beautiful results. I hope you'll check it out. Thanks for watching.